teach you how to change the primary owner in Slack. Transferring ownership can be necessary for a variety of reasons, whether it's a change in organizational roles or you're just passing along responsibilities. Let's dive into the steps and get this transition done smoothly. First things first, you'll need to ensure you're logged into Slack as the current primary owner. This role grants you the administrative permissions needed to make the transfer. Once you're logged in, head over to the top left corner of your Slack interface. You should see your workspace name there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will open. From this menu, navigate to Settings and Administration and select Workspace Settings. Clicking on Workspace Settings will automatically open a new browser window, directing you to the specific settings page for your workspace. Within this page, focus your attention on the section labeled Permissions. Here, you will need to locate the option Workspace Primary Owner. This is where you initiate the actual transfer of ownership. Now, once you've located Workspace Primary Owner, you'll see an option to transfer ownership. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to choose which member will become the new primary owner. It's crucial here to select someone who is prepared for the responsibilities associated with the role, as the ownership includes total control over workspace settings and data. Once you've selected the team member, go ahead and confirm the transfer. After confirming, you'll notice that the transition is pretty seamless. Slack will update immediately, and the new owner will gain full control over the workspace. Your role will automatically change from primary owner to an admin. As an admin, you still maintain significant control and abilities within the workspace, just without the ownership responsibility. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Slack workspace. It's important to choose the new primary owner thoughtfully to ensure they're ready to handle the role's demands and responsibilities. Thank you for following along today, and hopefully this guide has made the ownership transfer process a bit clearer and less daunting. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through Slack's support channels or drop a comment here. Until next time, happy slacking.